اوبا واحد الاجواء الليله النفسيه ديالك كترتاح. Hello guys.
Hi.
Where from?
Germany.
Manchester, England.
معنا زاكا وباستي من المانيا، غنسولهم هاد الاسئله وغنشوفوا الاجوبه ديالهم. You like Moroccan people?
Most of them, yeah.
Most of them, not all.
Not all, most of them don't have any kind of this in Germany.
I want you to be honest with me.
Okay.
What are the things that you didn't like here in Morocco? الله يعطيك الخير. You like Marrakesh more or here more?
I like Marrakesh because there's the Medina.
الحاجه اللي ما عجباش هنا هي الزبل. What are the things that you didn't like?
Only people as we're going along trying to sell us stuff.
واش لا فامي كي دايرين بخير؟ كلشي مزيان؟ كنتمنى تكونوا كاملين بخير، كلشي ناشط، كلشي ناضي كناضي. دونك مرحبا بكم في هذا الفيديو. هذا اللي عليكم واحد الفيديو اللي يا سلام. كيف ما كتشوفوا مورايا انا دابا حاليا كاين في البحر ديال اكادير، لا كورنيش ديال اكادير. كيف ما كتشوفوا اجواء يا سلام، دعوه ناضيه، دعوه مشمسه. حاليا حنا في شهر 10، الاجواء زوينه الصراحه هنا في اكادير. واليوم جيت لهنا بغيت نسول الاجانب والاجنبيات واحد السؤال اللي واعر بزاف واللي غيعجبكم بزاف. شنو هو الحوايج اللي كيعجبوكم في المغرب وشنو هما الحوايج اللي ما كيعجبوكمش؟ هذه القضيه هذه نقدروا نعرفوا شنو هما الحوايج السلبيه في المغرب من ناحيه السياحه فقط، حيت بزاف ديال الناس عاوتاني يقول لك لا الصحه والتعليم بصح هذا الشيء كيخصنا حنا وهذا الشيء بصح خصو يتصلح. ولكن هذا الفيديو هذا غنركز على الحوايج اللي غنشوفوا الاجوبه ديالهم كي دايرين، وكنظن الاجوبه ديالهم يكونوا يعني في السياحه، يعني البلان كوانات اي حاجه كتعلق بالسياحه. كنظن هذا هو اللي يكون الجواب ديالهم. المهم بزاف ديال الكوار الصراحه هنا في اكادير، واخا هاد الظروف اللي كتشوفوا كدوز فيها المغرب، الكوار ناشطين مرتاحين تيدوروا مسركلين، الدعوه ناضيه، كلشي ناضي. الا كنتي انت ولا انت اول مره كتفرج الفيديوهات ديالي ما تنساش تابونا في القناه، ورك على واحد الجرس ديالك ابوني حمراء باش يوصلك اي جديد كنديرو وتكون انت الاول كتفرج فيه. ياك اخويا. اجواء خياليه في شاطئ اكادير الدولي. يا سلام يا سلام. الله يعطيك الخير يعطيك الصحه. هاد الحجر كنظن غيحيدوه هنا عما قريب. اجواء يا سلام. تلاقيت دابا مع واحد الفرنساويه ليه مريحه مستونيه مع البحر، ولكن ما بغاتش تبان معايا في اليوتيوب. واحد الكليكه كاينه هنا، واحد الكليكه ديالي الا بغاو يبانوا معانا. الله اعلم واش بولندا فرنسا ولا الله اعلم، نحاولوا. المهم هادو هما الاجواء الاخوان، مولف كنصور لكم الاجواء. المهم الاخوان دابا حاليا تلاقينا مع شي ناس اللي عمرها دار هنا فوق البحر ديال اكادير، غنسولوهم هاد الاسئله اللي قلنا لكم وغنشوفوا الاجوبه ديالهم. Hello guys.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
Good. Alhamdulillah. Where from?
Germany.
Germany. You're welcome in Morocco.
Thank
yeah,
you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah. What's your name?
Zaka.
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 You?
Basti.
You understand a little bit Arabic?
No, sorry.
Nothing. You know some words? One word, two words.
I can say Bismillah and
Bismillah, very important.
Shukr.
Shukran. Thank you.
Shukr? Yeah.
Thank you. How
And
you
that's it.
how you use Bismillah? This. How you can use it?
Maybe if I'm buying something and I say, can you give me, and then
Yeah, Bismillah.
yeah.
Yeah, and if you want to eat, if to start to eat or drink something,
Okay.
Bismillah.
Okay.
Ah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice to know.
Yeah. Yeah, just I want to ask you some questions about Morocco. Simple questions, as I told you.
Okay.
Yeah, is it your first time here?
No, second time.
Second time in
Yeah.
Morocco. In Agadir or other
Yeah,
cities?
no, in Agadir. So
Yeah.
we was last year here.
In Agadir.
Yeah, and
Yeah, this time again
Yeah.
in Agadir. Yeah, that's very nice. How you feel here? What is your feeling here? How you find Morocco?
yeah, you can first.
Mm-hmm.
We really like it. Or else we wouldn't be the same
weather-
the
the
second
weather-
time here.
Huh?
The weather, the sea, the let me translate the landscape.
Landscape,
Is this the right word?
yeah, landscape,
country-
yeah,
the country.
exactly. Yeah.
Also,
You,
most
Yeah.
of the people.
Yeah.
you like Moroccan people?
They
Most
are
of them,
really-
yeah.
Most of them, not all.
Not all, most of them.
But the most
Yeah.
are really kind, so
Yeah, I
we are
understand.
little exotic, and
Yeah,
they
yeah,
are
yeah.
like, oh, you're cool. They are really really
You've been-
friendly.
you-
Yeah.
Yeah, you've been in Marrakesh before?
No,
You
no,
been-
only
Marrakesh?
here.
Only Agadir. Yeah,
Yeah.
okay. So yeah, I want to ask you, what is your favorite thing here? What made you come again and again like that? You know what I mean?
I think the landscape.
The landscape you like.
I like the nature and the animals. So yeah, and the kind of the people. So
The weather maybe.
yeah, the weather is also good. Yeah.
I like the desert.
Desert. you think?
The desert.
The Sahara.
The Sahara. Yeah, because
You ride camel there? You ride camels?
not camels, but
Ah.
quad. We made a little tour with a jeep
Yeah.
through the desert.
Yeah, very
And
nice.
yeah, we don't have any kind of this in Germany, so
You don't have like this in Germany,
No.
Sahara? No.
No.
Ah, okay.
Only
Okay.
woods. Only
Woods
woods.
and
Yeah. Mountains in Germany, mountains?
Yeah,
Yeah, sure.
mountains, sure.
If I ask you, but I want you to be honest with me,
Okay.
what are the things that you didn't like here in Morocco?
The trash.
The trash.
The trash.
Everywhere.
Everywhere is trash,
Oh.
and the nature is trash. Everywhere is trash. So that make me very sad.
Yeah,
That's,
yeah, I
so a lot of
understand.
trash, yeah.
Yeah.
yeah, it's the trash. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
the
right.
same.
That's right.
Yeah.
Something else, like everything is good, is fine.
Yeah.
No.
Like I asked you, like as a tourist, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So no, it's only the trash.
Yeah, I understand.
Maybe the politics in some
Politics.
form. Yeah, because we heard about the World Cup at
Yeah,
2030
yeah.
and what this country does to
Yeah, you know
to
about
hold
that.
the World Cup
Yeah,
and
yeah.
what happens around this. And that's
you
So,
know
like,
about that?
We don't know everything, but
Yeah.
we heard about
Yeah.
the dogs on the street and
Yeah.
at the protests and
Yeah.
something like this.
Yeah, I can
So-
understand. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much.
Mhm.
Thank you for your time. Someone want to go to Germany for a visit, you know?
Yeah.
What you can do there? You know what I mean?
A lot of hiking.
Hiking in the mountains.
Hiking in the mountains. A lot of culture in the city. So we
Yeah.
have a lot of old towns, and I think the German food is really special.
What is the main?
The main.
Yeah.
We have beer. but we have no main.
In
dish.
Germany, beer.
Yeah.
So,
No, it's-
so we
it's-
have no main dishes. It's like which sides
Different.
of Germany.
The-
you
yeah,
are. So-
mixed. Yeah, I
mixed,
understand.
yeah. So our side is popular for potato salad,
Yeah.
for example.
I have to
Ground.
try it. I have to try it.
Ground beef, many ground beef,
Yeah.
and some all sorts of meat.
Yeah, meat.
Meat,
A lot of
yeah.
meat.
Your favorite food here in Morocco?
Tagine.
Tagine. You like tagine a lot?
The vegetable tagine.
Vegetable tagine.
Yeah,
Yeah,
For
so
me,
nice.
it's the lamb tagine.
You too, tagine.
Yeah.
But the with lamb.
Ah, okay. Yeah, very nice, delicious.
Delicious.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you for your time again.
Yeah,
I am
you're
happy to meet
welcome.
you. Yeah, and you want to say something to Moroccans?
Thank
Then
you
take
for
your time.
welcoming us here, and we see us again.
Yeah.
Yeah, inshallah.
You're really good people. We like you.
يا لا عمرها دار هاد الناس هادو من المانيا خالقين هنا ناشطين هنا تخيل معاه قال لك الحاجه اللي ما عجباش هنا هاد القضيه كاينه هي الزبل فين ما مشيتي قال لك فين ما مشيتي كتلقى الزبل مشتات وهاد القضيه هادي راه كاينه يعني خص يدار ليها شي حل. ما ننساش الاخوان نقول لكم دخلوا عندي الانستغرام غنخلي لكم الانستغرام ديالي هنا كنحاول ديما نبارطاجي فيديوهات اللي واعرين بزاف الانستغرام بغيتكم كاملين تدخلوا عندي تفرحوني بزاف واللي بغى يسول شي حاجه مرحبا به على الراس والعين. هلو
Hi.
How are you good?
Yeah.
Very good. Lovely.
Alhamdulillah, lovely place.
Oh,
Lovely.
beautiful.
Fantastic.
Alhamdulillah. Where from?
Manchester, England.
England, Manchester.
Manchester United.
You like football?
Yes.
Manchester? Mazraoui.
Yes.
You know about it? About
Yes.
him? Mazraoui. Very good. A little bit. I want you to be honest.
So.
So.
Good
Sometimes
games.
it's good. Yeah.
Sometimes.
Yeah,
not so
I watch all of
Yeah.
it. Yeah, the best player in Manchester right now for you.
Ooh.
I can say Bruno Fernandes.
I was going to say, if it's the best player in Manchester,
Yeah.
I'd probably pick one of the City players. So I'm
Yeah,
a
yeah.
Manchester United fan.
Yeah.
City are playing a lot better than
Yeah.
United at the minute.
Oh,
Well, for the past 3 seasons.
yeah.
So
Yeah.
Fernandes, good. Yeah, I do like.
Fernandes, yeah, he's good. I watch. I find him. He always bitter. You know.
Yeah, he's a good, strong player.
Yeah, I am happy to meet you here. What's your name by the way?
Gillian.
Gillian. You?
John.
جون. المهم الاخوان دابا حاليا تلاقينا مع جيليان وجون من مانشستر في الانجليز وغنسولهم هاد الاسئله هادي وغنشوفوا واش غيقولوا لنا. You understand a little bit Arabic? Some words. You know some words?
I know ما فيش فلوس.
ما عنديش فلوس. ما فيش فلوس. Yeah, there is no money.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And Merhaba.
مرحبا. You're
Yes,
welcome. You're
yes.
welcome. Yeah.
And Shukran.
Shukran, thank you. Very important words.
Yes.
You will need this here a lot. Yeah, that's about you.
No.
No? Yeah, that's good, that's good. Yeah, just I want to ask you some questions about Morocco, as I told you. Is it your first time here?
No, 5 times.
5 times.
Yes.
MashaAllah. You like it here a lot?
Yes.
Yeah, what made you come again and again like this?
No, I've been to Marrakesh,
Marrakesh,
Tagazout.
Tagazout, in Agadir. Yeah.
Yes, and here. So Marrakesh 2 times, Tagazout, and here too.
Yeah, okay. You like Marrakesh more or here more?
I like Marrakesh because there's the Medina is quite nice, and the gardens, Marjal.
Very traditional. And,
Yes,
yeah.
and Bacha Coffee House. I like it for more historical things.
Yeah, I understand.
But like it here for the beach, and it's very relaxed in
Very relaxed.
Agadir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. What is your advice for someone who want to come Morocco?
Just come, you'll enjoy it. Beautiful weather, beautiful people. Get some bargains when you're shopping.
Yeah.
Food's
Yes.
very nice, but people are lovely. Absolutely, very safe. You know,
Yes.
they're very friendly.
Yeah, Alhamdulillah.
Yes, and it's just beautiful.
We're lucky, we've travelled lots of places between us. We've been everywhere from the Caribbean, America, we've been all over. We love here.
Morocco,
It's just a
Agadir.
beautiful place, yeah.
Yes.
يا الله الاخوان اش بيتو باقي قال لك سارة العالم كامل تقريبا وعجبونا بزاف. What is your favorite thing here?
I love this, the beach.
The beach.
Yes.
Very nice.
That sunset soon,
Yeah.
beautiful.
I don't know. You know, it's just we've only been. I do like horse riding in Morocco on the beach. I like to ride the horses.
The horses in
Yes,
the beach. Very
yes.
Camels.
I've done the camels also, but prefer the horses.
The horses. Yeah, very nice.
Yes.
Very nice.
So yeah, we just love the beach
Yeah.
and the people and the restaurants are nice.
Yeah.
You know, eating.
Just so friendly and
Yeah,
relaxed.
Alhamdulillah. Yeah, all of that is very nice. I am happy to hear. Yeah, but what about if I ask you, but I want you to be honest with me, what are the things that you didn't like?
Only people as we're going along trying to sell us stuff.
Ah,
You know,
okay.
bracelets
Okay, yeah,
and
yeah,
stuff
yeah.
like that. That's
yeah,
the
yeah,
only
pushing.
thing really I don't like.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
But you get that all over the world. Wherever we go, we get that.
I understand.
But we like a nice walk in the evening, nice quiet walk. And we have people trying to sell us this. I had one man trying to sell me crack cocaine while they're up there. But he was the only one.
Yeah,
Told
yeah,
him
yeah.
no.
I understand. I understand
No,
that.
generally the people are beautiful. We love the people. Like yourself, stop, chat. Fantastic.
Yeah, but you want to say you can sell, but if I say no, go.
Yes, most do, yes.
Yeah.
Don't insist, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I understand you. Yeah, what about you? Something you don't like here?
No, I love it.
You love it a lot.
Yes. No, there's nothing I don't like. I mean,
Alhamdulillah.
apart from, you know, like, also, which I know it's tradition in Morocco and Turkey or wherever you go, when you go into a shop and you like something and they give you silly price, and it's not, no, I don't want to, you know, it's like haggling, and that is, you just want the one price.
Yeah, I understand. I understand.
That is the only thing, really.
Yeah, I understand.
You know, and sometimes you feel like you're insulting, you know, the shop owner by saying your price that you want to pay, but it's...
Yeah, I can understand that.
Yeah, that's the only thing, really, but
Yeah.
everyone has to, earn a living,
We understand that.
you know, so... But, no, I love it. I
Yeah, I
love
understand.
it.
God willing, with time, everything will be better.
Yeah, but it's tradition, isn't it? You have to barter in the shops, don't you?
Yeah, exactly.
You know, how
exactly.
much
So
your
you have
price,
to
your price.
negotiate.
Yeah,
Yeah. You
See.
don't use that in England. There is not.
No,
Oh.
no fixed price.
Only
It's-
fixed price.
yes.
I understand.
Yeah.
I
And
understand.
England a lot dearer. We wish we could haggle in England, but you can't.
Yes.
You cannot.
No.
Fixed price.
Yes.
Yeah, I can understand that. Okay, thank you for your time. Thank
You're
you very
welcome.
much.
Thank you.
Enjoy
You're
your
welcome.
time here in Agadir in Morocco. Yeah, you want to say something to Moroccans?
Just love your country. Thank you for having us.
Yes, absolutely gorgeous country, and it's stunning, and you're very lucky.
وضربوا لي الاخوان على واحد الفيديو ضرب لي اوبا يا سلام واحد الاجواء الليله النفسيه ديالك كترتاح قسما بالله واحد الغروب ديال الشمس يا سلام هاد الناس اللي كنت معاهم دابا من فين باقي، من فين من مانشستر. الحاجه اللي ما عجبتهمش هنا قالوا لك، كنقول لهم كنحاول نقول لهم ديما يعني يكونوا معايا صراحه، يكونوا معايا، كنحاول نقول لهم هاد القضيه هذه كتشجعهم شويه حيت بغينا نعرفوا الجواب يعني الصريح. المهم الحاجه اللي قالوا لك ما عجبتهمش هنا هي الناس اللي كيبيعوا هاد القضيه، كنشوفها الصراحه هنا بزاف، ماشي غير هنا في مراكش في اكادير فين ما مشيتي كتلقى الناس كيانسيستيو كيبغيو يبيعوا لك بزز. دونك الاخوان حتى هنا غنسالي هذا الفيديو هذا، كنتمنى يكون عجبكم الفيديو. كانوا هادو هما الاجوبه ديال الاجانب والاجنبيات على الحوايج اللي عاجبينهم في المغرب، اللي كيعجبوهم في المغرب، والحوايج اللي ما كيعجبوهمش. الصراحه واحد الاجواء هنا يا سلام، الدعوه ناضيه مريقله كيف ما كنقول لكم. دونك حتى هنا غنساليو هذا الفيديو هذا، كنتمنى يعجبكم الفيديو وتكونوا استمتعتوا به. اللي عجبو الفيديو ما ينساش يخلينا واحد لايك، شي كومونتير يشجعنا به. الا كنتي انت ولا انت اول مره كتفرج في الفيديوهات ديالي ما تنساش تابونا في القناه، تورك على واحد الجرس ديالك ابوني حمراء باش يوصلك اي جديد كنديرو وتكون انت الاول كتفرج فيه. ياك اخويا.